Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I had wanted to do this video earlier today, but I had to get my little ducks in a row about some things. And I have been working all day long on this one project and some other things that I'm putting together videos for. And I'm really excited. I've got so much work done today. So I'm getting my crafty mojo back. And I'm still drinking coffee, which might not be a good thing at this late hour in day. However, I've been in Energizer bunny mode. So, as you see from the title, Crafty Club, I mentioned this in Monday Morning Coffee. If you haven't seen that, please go back and watch it. So, YouTube has something called, I don't know what it's called exactly. It's like a club or something like that. When you get to 10,000 subscribers, they allow you to put a little join button on there. And then they offer badges and different things from the creator that would offer subscribers to the club. Well, I'm about 7,751 people away from that. And besides, anytime we do something on YouTube where you, like, whether you do super chat or something like that, YouTube gets a little portion of it. And so does Patreon. So, because I had thought about starting a Patreon page, but I liked it better this way because you know that when you become a member of the Crafty Club, that everything is going toward crafting here with me and to improve the quality of my videos. Unfortunately, the only way I'm going to be able to keep crafting and stuff is to do this because I got to keep the internet, and I've got to be able to buy minimal supplies when I need them to create some stuff. And I know tomorrow you're supposed to have a Dollar Tree DIY, and I've been working on that all day, but I need something to finish it. And I just can't go out and buy it. So I don't know if it's coming out or not. And those are the type of things that I've been running into. I have lots of videos planned for you guys, but I just can't get them up. And they take a long time uploading with just data. So I came up with my own little Crafty Club. And this will be done through PayPal. And it will be done friends and family. And then in the description box, you will just put Crafty Club on there in the little comment section on friends and family on PayPal. So let me tell you how this is going to work. And I'm really excited about this because I've got private videos already done for this month. I've got cards done for this month. I've got ATCs done for this month. I have been a busy bee today. So how this works is there's like 4 levels. And the first level is just $5 a month. And what you will get for $5 a month is you're going to get a welcoming card to the club from me. And it will be handmade, and it will be just for you. And then you're going to get a private video every month. So that means, like, these videos will be a little bit different than what I put on for the public because I'll be able to spend more time and go into more detail and more explanation, how-tos, and all that kind of stuff. So you'll get one of those once a month. And then the next level is $10 a month. And you will get the private video, the welcome card for the very beginning, first month, and then you're going to get what is called Card of the Month. I'm going to be creating a card every month just for the Crafty Club members. And if you're at the $10 level a month, you will get the Card of the Month. And not only that, you'll also get an ATC designed and made by me. So I've already done this month's ATC and cards. And I've been debating about whether I want to go ahead and show them to you or not. But you got a little sneak peek on the thumbnail, so I'm not going to show them to you. And then at the $15 level, you will get 2 private videos a month and the card of the month and an ATC. And on the 6th month, you will get a little mini canvas from me. So you'll get a piece of original artwork every 6 months. And then the last level is a $20 a month level. You will get 2 private videos. You will get the card of the month, an ATC, and you will also get a private live stream with me doing some type of crafting or whatever. And I will take suggestions from the club members. And then you two also will get a small piece of artwork from me every 6 months. So, you know, I have all of this written down so I can keep up with it. I already have a spreadsheet designed already on my tablet to keep up with all of this stuff, and I'm really excited about it because this is something that I've been working on for a couple of weeks now, and it was something that I was probably going to do regardless of the situation that I'm in right now, but I just want to be able to produce better quality videos for you guys and to be able to continue crafting for you. And I know right now that's going to be difficult, so that's one reason I'm coming up with this right now. So, also, twice a year, everybody that's a club member's name will go into a drawing, and you will win one project that I've created throughout that, you know, the first 6 months, the last 6 months. You will be able to pick a project that I've created. So, what you need to do again, all you have to do is go to my PayPal account, which will be listed below in the description box. Click on that, and then pay whatever level you want to do per month. And leave your email so that I can send you links to videos. And or if you're on Messenger and would rather get a link like that, I can do that as well. Now, one thing to remember that is not going to happen like Patreon or YouTube, I cannot do reoccurring billing. I do not want your billing information, okay? Let me say that again. I do not want your billing information. This is something that you have to do every month. And I will send out a reminder via email to you before it is due. So the month of June has already started. So what I've decided is that you will have until the 15th of this month to join for June. After that, anybody joining after June, that will go towards July. But so if you join before the 15th of this month, or by the 15th of this month, you will get the videos, or depending on what level you'll get all the benefits for June. If you join June the 16th, then that will count for July, and you will get all the July benefits then. What I want to do is, because I'm starting this after the first of the month, what I will be doing is every month on the 5th, you will get your first video, and then those who are $10 level high and higher will get their second video on the 16th. So you have to pay for the next months before the 5th. If you don't renew your club dues by the 5th of the month, then you won't get the video. So I hope I'm trying to make myself clear here. I hope I'm not confusing anybody. So you have from now until the 15th to sign up for June, just because we're running late. As soon as you sign up, whatever level you sign up, I will go ahead and send you the link for the first video of the month. For those who sign up on level 2 or higher, you will be getting your video on or around the 25th of the month. Okay? Now, for July, you have to, like I said, I'm not doing recurring billings. I can't do it. I don't want to be responsible for having anybody's information, okay? So starting from July the 1st to the 5th is when you renew. You renew each month. Or if you want to pay, let's say 6 months in advance or a year in advance for whatever level you're on, you may do that. And I will mark it paid for however long you pay for. And then you will just automatically get the benefits every month. That I'll do. But I can't do recurring billing. But each month's dues are due on the 1st of the month, and you have until the 5th of the month to pay it. If it is not paid by the 5th, unless you reach out to me by the 5th, then you just won't get the benefits for that part of the month. If you do it before the 15th, there'll be a penalty, but you will still get half a month. So, and I hope I haven't thoroughly confused you all. So let me go over that really quick again. There are 4 levels, 5, 10, 15, and 20. Each level has different rewards. You must pay through PayPal, friends and family. This month, for June only, you have until the 15th to join for the month of June. Whatever level you join at for the month of June, you will get the benefits for. The first video is already done and I have it up. So as soon as you join, I will go ahead and send the link to that video to you. If you join at a higher level and you get 2 videos a month, that will be on or about the 25th of this month. The live stream videos will be done around the end of the month. I have to pick the date that that's good for everybody, but it'll be done usually around the end of the month. I will not, I know I'm saying this a lot, but I want to make this perfectly clear. I will not do reoccurring billing because I do not want your money information. I just don't want it. That's why I'm doing it through PayPal. If you wish to pay month by month, that's fine. With the exception of this month, the renewing date is by the 5th of every month. If you wish to pay for several months at one time, you may do so. Leave that information in the comment section on PayPal. There's a place that you can write a note. So you can leave the note, leave your email address, and say, I am paying this amount for X number of months. I will do that. For those of you who sign up for at least 6 months ahead of time, oh goodness, the dogs, we'll go ahead and get the small artwork from me. Now this might take, a few days to do, but you will go ahead and get the 6 months reward if you sign up for at least 6 months ahead of time. Okay, so I think that is all. If you have any questions, leave them below in the comment section. And like I said, this is something new that I'm just trying out. And if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I just know that I cannot continue producing quality videos and videos without doing something. With that being said, this is not taking the place of any of my regularly scheduled videos. Okay? I will still have my regular videos. I will still have the Monday Morning Coffee, Dollar Tree videos, my card design of the month, my live stream on Thursday nights, and anything. There will still be plenty of videos as long as I can keep doing them. But this is just a way for those who would like to support my channel and a different way for them to do so, and for me to be able to give back to those who do. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.